Hello home bakers and welcome to Drmummycakes. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a strawberry puree that you can use to introduce strawberry flavour in your baked goods and cakes as well as in buttercream. It's made with one ingredient, fresh strawberry. So I'm measuring out my strawberry and I'll be using 800 grams of strawberry. Now if I put all of this into my cake batter or into my buttercream, it will be absolutely ruined. But by creating a strawberry puree, I can pack in a lot of strawberry flavour into my cakes and my buttercream without ruining the texture. Creating a fruit puree works with any soft fruit like strawberries or apricot or any fruit that can be pureed, and it's a great way of introducing fruit flavour into your baked goods. Other equipment that you need a blender which can blend your fruit into a puree. You need a sieve, and a sieve is used to get rid of all the tiny ingredients that will ruin the texture. And you need a saucepan that you're going to use on the hob. So first I'm going to prep my strawberry. I'm going to take the top off. I've already washed all the strawberries. So I'm taking the top off and I'm just going to cut it into half and put all of that into my blender. Now my blender is a Ninja blender. It's quite powerful and strong and it will puree all the strawberries nicely. On my Ninja blender, I use the Max Blend. You want to use a setting that will really turn your fruit into a puree, nicely, thoroughly mashed up. That's the consistency that you want to be going for. So here's my strawberry puree. You can see that it's very watery and we can't use this as it is in our cake batter or our buttercream. So I'm sieving the fruit puree to get rid of all the tiny pips, and then I'm pouring it into a saucepan, and basically I'm going to let this mixture reduce on low heat. It can take up to 10 to 15 minutes, and this is what you start off with. You can see that it's very watery. You're going to reduce this until it's almost like half or 2/3 of the quantity left, so that it's going to be really thickened. And I'm just going to show you clips of the different stages. So it's starting to boil, it's starting to thicken up, but it's not quite ready. You want to let it go until all the water is really gradually drawn out. So even here it's a lot thicker, but it's still not quite ready. And here it's almost ready. You want to keep going until all the water has gone off, and this is what you are left with. So here is your strawberry puree, and all you have to do now is let it cool down before use. So look at what we ended up with. Can you see that this is a much thicker consistency than what we started off? And this is 800 grams of strawberry packed into a smaller volume. And when you put this into your strawberry cakes or your buttercream, it will taste absolutely delicious. Next week, I'm going to be posting a video of my delicious strawberry cake, and this strawberry puree is a key ingredient. So here is your strawberry puree all ready to be put into your cake or buttercream. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. I post a new cake making or cake decorating video every week and you don't want to miss out. So click the subscribe button, turn on all the notification bells, and I will see you next week. Thank you and happy baking. Bye.